So this has been about a week that we've had the baby chicks, and we are now taking them out for a little bit of an excursion. We have their food and their water, and we're letting them roam a little bit in our grass area that we've set up. So there's the little babies running around having a good old time, and let me get a close-up of them just hanging out. So they are experimenting with all of the different little pieces in the soil, and they are biting down on some grass, having a really good time. And when they get scared, they come over to me, and I've had one of them perch on my arm, and I have my family out here to enjoy these little chicks with me. So they love the little chicks, and they're getting to know all of them, and they're trying to name them all. So in future videos, we'll have the names of all these little baby chicks, all 5 of them. And these type of chicks are better for trying to make relationships with them. So we're hoping that we can be able to have them in our arms and be able to hold them. So it does depend on what chicken that you get, if they're going to be more curious and friendly. So this particular type of chicken is really good for that. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Enjoy the little baby chicks.
One jumped over me.
Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful.